Welcome to the video. If you've ever needed to switch between Roblox accounts on your Android device, this video is for you. Whether you have multiple accounts for different purposes or just want to swap accounts quickly, I'll walk you through the updated steps to switch accounts on Roblox. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to switch from. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap the three dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner. This will open up a menu with several options. Step 3. Scroll down in the menu and tap on Switch Account. This will bring up a list of all the accounts currently linked to the Roblox app. Step 4. Finally, select the account you want to switch to. After tapping on the account, you'll be logged into that account instantly. And that's it. You've successfully switched accounts on Roblox. This is a quick and easy way to manage multiple Roblox accounts from one device without having to log in and out every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.